Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a wonderful day. Been just rocking a bunch of work. I've been working on my taxes. I've got to go to the post office and drop off 4 different envelopes full of tax payments. So, super excited about that. Just love paying my taxes. Crystal's in here, working away. What you doing there, baby?
Trying to listen to something.
Not doing too well, huh?
No.
Looks like you're signing some cards.
I am signing some cards.
I'm about to sign some cards as well. How's the packaging coming?
Pretty good, about halfway.
Pretty good, about halfway. I love you.
Love you too.
Oh, you want to show what we got in the mail? Real quick? Let's do it together. Alright. So, we had a awesome... Jane sent us this card. This card here. Super sweet message. She's basically giving us a little gift for our wedding.
Super sweet. And
this is probably the coolest little gift I think I've ever received. I mean, this is just super cool. So it's called Meter, like a meter, but it's with M-E-A-T, like the meat you eat. And this is a, it's a temperature, it's a thermometer, it's a meat thermometer. And it comes in this super slick little wooden, if it focuses, little wooden carrying thing. It's magnetic, so it mounts to the wall, and then it syncs with your phone. There's an app, syncs with your phone, and then you just put this probe into the meat, and then it tells you on your phone, I don't know what the distance is, but I think you could be like several meters away, and then it tells you what the temperature is when it's done, all that jazz. Super solid little meat probe. I'm excited about that. I think tomorrow we're gonna do a launch day cookout with the crew. So I'm thinking about picking up one of those Traeger pellet smokers because I want to smoke meat. I've got a bunch of grills that my mom made that grill for me for Christmas. But I want a smoker so we could smoke something all day long. So we're gonna try this meter thermometer out with that.
I didn't seem very excited about that in this moment, but I thought it was super cute when we first opened it. I was like, oh my gosh, look how cute, oh my gosh. Just like that.
That's a reenactment in case you're wondering. Crystal didn't get much sleep last night. You want to hear a funny story about our sleep last night? So Crystal wakes up at 1 o'clock, can't sleep, so she's like, I'm just going to start printing labels. So she starts printing labels. I wake up shortly thereafter because there's a light on and I can't sleep when there's light on. And then I start burning up, like I'm sweating because it's so hot. Because as soon as she wakes up, she turns the thermometer up to like 75 degrees. Something crazy hot.
It's not 75 degrees.
It was hot, all right? So I wake up, I try laying back down. I'm like, I can't sleep. I'm burning up. I'm sweating. So I grab my sleeping bag and throw it out in the warehouse part of the compound because it's not temperature controlled out there. It's colder. And I'm falling asleep on my sleeping bag in the middle of the floor out in the warehouse. Warehouse, compound issues. Gotta love it. Alright, let's get to signing cards, get to work. I've got a golden ticket. Actually, this isn't the real golden ticket. This is just a sample of the golden ticket that we made to see if it worked. There should be a golden ticket out there shipped off somewhere to one of y'all lucky ones though. But we're getting closer and closer to finding out who that may be. We've been packaging up bricks all day today. We're about to go drop those off to the post office. Let's go check out the crew real quick. Come on, follow me. This is really good. Kind of hobbling around over here. What's up? Hello. We got Dylan over here. How's it going, Dylan?
Hello.
Hello.
Limping around.
Limping around, man. So all of these are packaged up and ready to be put in the van to be shipped off. All of these are full. You can see. All these boxes are full. All these packages are full. About to load up and head out. What's happening up in here?
Where's the camera, bro?
Right here.
Ah, yeah!
We got the camera. You got this thing?
Yeah, we got that thing.
How's it going in here?
It's going really well, man.
How's it going, Brandon? Good?
It's going good.
It's going good? Dylan's already doing good. Packaging's going swell. Corey wasn't in here earlier. Where you been, bro?
Man, I've been outside. How do you
Been outside?
How do you
You good? You having fun, man?
Yes, we're one, we are all, we are Keto Bricks.
Yeah, buddy.
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all. So I told you we we're gonna fill this van up. I told you it was gonna be a full load. Check this out. Boom. That is a full load of Keto Bricks. You could not fit another box in that van. In fact, we still have some over here. Check this out. We got another couple stacks. We're gonna put this in Brandon's minivan. You call it a minivan? That sounds pretty manly, right?
Oh yeah.
The minivan rocket.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna go drop these off right now. Get ready.
Hey, we're awesome. Too late.
I don't
All
know.
right, next.
Next. I don't know what to say either,
Next.
man. Team Keto Brick is awesome.
He had,
Keto
see,
brick.
that was
He
way
stole
better.
the keto brick.
He had time to get
Yeah,
it.
he did have time. Hey, we did it.
It's always
We
best
did
to
it.
go last.
We killed it.
We
We
did
killed
it.
it.
Killed it.
Biggest launch, and we're, what is it, 3 o'clock?
Well, why are you looking at empty wristwatch?
If somebody
I
gets the
don't
golden
know
brick,
much.
are y'all hoping they're gonna come see us?
Yeah,
Oh,
actually,
heck
yeah, it'd be
yes.
super fun. Y'all come out.
Super
Whoever
excited.
wins, you better choose us over the year's worth of supply of bricks.
Oh, yes.
Come on. We are cool people.
We will make it worth your while. Guaranteed.
Yep.
Was the golden brick even in there?
Oh,
Maybe.
it's in there.
Maybe.
No
never know.
secrets,
No.
no secrets. Y'all want to see something funny? Look at Robert walking. He's got that limp.
Yeah, buddy. Making fun of my outfit?
Making fun of your walk.
My lip?
You got that pimp walk.
My pimp.
Y'all, we got the Keto Brick van part 2. You put some decals on the back.
Back it up. Hey,
2.0.
Pop that trunk open.
what we got?
How much junk's in the trunk? Oh. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, we got enough room.
Y'all, we do what we got to do to get you your bricks.
We promise.
One way or another. Surely he can put some music on this at some point. Cut it out or whatever.
Boom. Whatever.
How'd you get so strong, Brandon?
Resistance bands.
Resistance bands. Resistance bands and keto bricks.
That's right.
Keto bricks make you strong. Science.
Proven.
Even the minivan is full of bricks.
Look at that.
Bricks on bricks. Town and country.
All right, y'all. All the bricks have been dropped off. What do you think, Brandon?
I think it was awesome.
Awesome.
Oh yeah.
Nothing more satisfying than unloading a whole bunch of keto bricks that just been ordered. Y'all gonna be getting your bricks very, very soon. It's gonna be probably, I don't know, some of y'all probably get them tomorrow and the next day, day after that for sure. We're at Bass Pro Shop right now because I promised the crew that if this launch goes well, I'm gonna start smoking meat for them on the cookout. So, gonna go look for a smoker. Brandon, this is a good one.
Oh yeah.
You gonna eat anything that comes off of it?
Definitely.
Alright. Alright, y'all, so since we got that grill, we thought it was only fair that Brandon and I get a steak, test out the functionality, make sure it's working okay before we cook for the crew. That's fair, right?
Absolutely.
We gotta make sure it's functioning properly, you know? So we're gonna get some steaks right now. If you like it, I love it.
They like the New York strip, so on sale. It's good.
You like New York strip?
I mean, well, I cooked some just the other day, and they surprised me. I really did.
Can we get a, which one of those sausages like look best to you? Let's get a kielbasa and a chorizo link too. Alright, Joe, we finally got the grill put together. It's seasoning right now, which takes 50 minutes. Did not account for that, but that's what we have going on right here. And Brandon and I, like I said, didn't account for that, so we're just sitting here waiting for our steaks to get ready to put on the grill. So it's gonna be a long night, but we're gonna pass the time, maybe shoot the bow a little bit, and just chillax. The grill's priming, the music's going. Brandon's getting a little accurate with the bow here. Shooting
try
some
it.
targets. Robin Hood in the flesh. Nailed it, man. Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all. We've been alerted that this is ready to rumble. So, let's see what we're looking like here. I'm excited. It smells really good. Look at that. Pull that probe out, Brandon. Is it hot?
Oh yeah. Got it.
Beautiful. Look at that beauty. Looks perfect.
Oh yeah.
All right, y'all. So the bratwurst that we took off the grill were delicious. We're about to cut into these steaks now and see what we're looking like. But they smell and look amazing. So this is what we're working with there. Cut into it, man. Let's see what we got.
All right.
Do the honors.
Oh yeah.
Is that perfect?
That's perfect.
All right. Let me know how it tastes, man. Let's do this. We're just gonna dive in here. We'll do the first Traeger grill bites on camera.
That is really good.
That's pretty much perfect, actually.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
All right, I'm not gonna film anymore. I'm just gonna enjoy this steak. Today was a great day. Shot the bow, eating a steak, listening to country music after a successful launch day. All the bricks are shipped. They'll be getting to you soon. See you tomorrow. Love you much.